Okay, this is the part of my walk where we decide whether we go left or right. And so Frank doesn't like the water, so I'm going to find out. You coming, Frank? You coming? Good boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy. That's it, come on. There's a good boy. There's a good boy. There's a good lad. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. Well done. Good boy. Come on then. Let's walk up the river. Come on then. Undulate. That's it. Good boy. Much better this way, there's no people. I won't bump into anyone this side. What a good lad. Good boy, go on in. Good boy. Just gonna get some muddy. Come here, I'm going to take you off this lead. Rubbish, isn't it? Go on in. Run, be free! Good boy. You going to follow me then, or am I going to follow you? Go and follow Mum. She knows where she's going. So, my tree. What's she spotted? What have you spotted then? Who is it? Who is it? Who's that? They're miles away. Don't go in there, Frank, it's too deep. That's it, come in here, look. Come for paddle. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Hey, wait until your mum and dad you do like the water. He's a good boy. You like that? He's a good lad. Well, we know you like it. Look, cross here again, look. Step day 3, might have to swim it. What a good boy. Much more fun when you play in the water. There he goes. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good lad. Frank, come on. Frank. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You are, aren't you? Over here, look, jump. Go on in. Go on. Go on. Go on, Frank. Good boy. Not too far. Good boy. Stay. Normally don't care about a bit of mud. Oh, stay you. Look at you. Oh, cheers for getting on my jeans. What, jumped up my wellies. Do you like the woods then? You have to tell your mum and dad. Right, put the camera away and enjoy my walk.